Hey guys, I'm going to show you that my blackberry is not working. I have the red light and I don't know how to repair it. So I'm going to remove the battery and first of all I need to remove the cover. And I'm going to remove the battery like this. And now I'm going to fast forward. So yeah, and I even tried restart with the pin, and it's not working. So now I'm putting back the battery again, and okay, that's weird. I have two-part video. Oh well. Now I'm starting with the pin again. And nothing. I still have the red light. So if someone can help me, just send a comment below or a video response. So that was my video. Thank you for watching and please help me. Ciao.